Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this tortoiseshell abstract inspired nail look. I call it inspired because it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but it still looks cute. You'll need acetone, a small paintbrush, a ceramic bowl, and some tinfoil. There are quite a few layers in this look, so start out with a trusty base coat. Then I took this deep mustard color as the base. Obviously you see I painted my middle finger, but I realized I needed to wipe that off for my accent finger. For this look, we're going from light to dark from the bottom up, so what that means is the first colors you'll start with are closest to the base coat, and then you'll continually get darker as you move your way onto black and brown. Take a few drops and mix it with a little bit of black and some acetone. You want the consistency to be a little bit watery so you don't get too many harsh lines on your nail. This process requires a lot of trial and error. As you can see, some of the colors came out a little bit green, so just keep adding black and brown as you see fit until you get the right colors that you want. There's really no method in adding the dots, just make sure you cover enough ground so that you can spread it out and have it look the way that you like. For a glass-like effect of depth, what we're going to do is take one coat of clear coat while the nail is still damp from the other colors that you just added. After adding the last layer of dots, wait for it to dry before adding your last top coat layer. For my accent finger, I redid a base layer and painted one half a nude color and the other half our original base color. It's okay if the line isn't 100% neat since we're going to go over it with a black thin line. When you continue to make your design, make sure you do not bleed into the nude side since we're going to make sure that that one stays plain. Instead of using shiny clear coat, what we're going to use is matte top coat. Lastly, take a nail polish that has a thin brush like this one and make a straight line down the middle. Might look time consuming, but it's really fast, and that's it for this video. Let me know what you think of the design, and if you have any other ideas for nail tutorials, let me know and I'll try to do them. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.